Tell me how I get randomly selected in security and you guys show up way later than me. And you still got the shades on. What is going on?
We got lost.
You got lost, yeah. You look lost, girl. How do you get lost? You take one right turn, that's all you do.
We didn't see the right turn.
What do you mean you didn't see the right turn? Where was you looking? Oh my goodness.
Do you? That was following me.
Oh yeah? Oh snap, okay. Do you have your passport?
I do.
We're going to Mexico.
Do you have your passport?
I think I do. I'll check. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Oh, yeah.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Molives. Okay.
Matt, aren't you going to do that intro?
Yeah, I got you. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Do I look like a snack?
You look like a snack, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Molives here. Molives TV. Another day, another adventure. Woo, guys, welcome back to the channel. As you saw in the last one, I was chilling with my boy Davey Hans.
He doesn't want to come out with me tonight. Let me bring the camera.
Yeah?
Let Davey Hans.
All right, here, grab it.
Let Davey Hans
There you go.
show you guys a good time. Molives does not know how to show you a good time. Davey Hans out here, yeah. Peace out. Peace out, Mo. All right. It's just us tonight, folks.
Now we're still in LA right now. Davey Hans went to downtown to chill with his brother, and I'm gonna be meeting up with them tonight. Molives, why are you chilling with this peanut butter? Because we're going to Mexico. Molives, that makes no sense. Why are you holding peanut butter if you're going to Mexico? Because we have to eat all of our food, because I forgot that we're going to Mexico, and when you come back, you can't really like bring food. So I gotta eat everything on my lunch bag today, including this peanut butter. You know who we're chilling with. You know who we got on the camera. It's your girl, Stephanie.
Hey, y'all. I got a bag full of food, too, so
Yup.
we're just eating and eating and eating.
Yup. We're about to be eating on this flight. You know what I'm saying? Baby, let's go. Welcome to Puerto Vallarta. And this is all we get to see of it, but it looks amazing. Maybe I'll be able to go outside and show you guys in a sec. Wow, it's so humid here. My freaking camera lens is fogging up, but check it out. That's what we're working with. It's gorgeous.
All right, y'all.
Ooh, we got food, crew meals on international flights. So, what are we thinking here, Stephanie? I mean, obviously, ladies get first choice.
You know what?
Of course.
I'm not gonna eat it. I just want the junk food. I want the chips and the cookies.
It doesn't matter. Well, I need to already eat like a million things in my own food bag.
I know, me too.
And then I gotta come all the way over here. I gotta eat all this food too. Damn. Which, I mean, I'm down for the challenge.
Are you?
Like, I'm definitely
Go
down
ahead,
for
go
it.
eat it.
But like, don't be taking my chips. Like, if I get
No,
chips, you know what I'm
everybody
saying?
wants
Like, we've been eating carrots for 7 years.
I'll do a turkey wrap.
A turkey crudite and a pasta salad. There's only 2 sandwiches. I don't know why. But
Yeah, I'll do the turkey wrap.
We got sabritas. We got mostaza. We got mayonnaise. I'm saying it with like an Italian accent. I don't really know why. Little wrap with some fruit. Whew. Guys, I'm pretty stoked for this layover tonight. It's 18 hours in LA. I already showed you guys before. My boy Dave is downtown. I'm gonna be hanging out with him and Chris and Dan tonight. It's gonna be a good time. We got the band back together. So Chris is Dave's oldest brother. When I first went to LA, I knew nothing about LA. This is like 3 years ago. Chris showed me around. He's the guy. But yeah, 50 passengers on this flight. Gonna be super easy because my girl Stephanie's gonna be doing all the work. Yep, see, she's waving. Yes, I am. I'm doing all the work. Yep, Stephanie. Yep, I'm doing all the work too.
You don't get that camera out.
You're doing all the work. Put your lips on, Steph. We're trying to take a selfie. Yeah, look at this. We're vlogging, but oh snap, we're ready.
I wanted the camera up.
Yeah. Oh, you wanted it up. Oh, all right. Okay. I'm getting the vlog. All right. Sorry, Stephanie. You took too long. You took too long. Sorry. Yep. Gotta go. Stephanie, look at all your fans welcoming you.
Hi.
Hey, let's say, is there anybody you want to say hi? Welcome back. There's a little life hack for you guys. So we just took this hotel shuttle because the LAX airport is a zoo, and we're staying fairly close to this one. So I'm walking with the ladies. I'm escorting the ladies because, you know, it's kind of a rough neighborhood. I got you ladies. You know what I'm saying? I'm the muscle in the crew. You know, I'm the big dog, the Great Dane, escorting the ladies to the hotel. Sometimes I wish somebody would try something. You know what I'm saying, Stephanie? So I give them the 1-2 Mayweather. You know? Yeah. What you laughing at?
You.
What are y'all saying?
You said you were going to be protector.
And you're
You
like
love
30 feet
us.
ahead of us.
What do you mean left you? I was making sure the coast is clear up there. There was dragons. There was like,
The coast is clear for them to get us.
I don't know how I'm supposed to get the front and the back of you ladies. Like, okay, and I have a question. Are you at the hotel safely, ladies?
No, thanks to you.
Are you? You're welcome, ladies. You can just drop a like and subscribe, you know? I'm out here protecting. Like a warrior. Like Goliath. Wow, you gotta hair flip me, eh? I'm actually based in Las Vegas.
I'm about to hit you.
Wow. Yo, Stephanie. Yo, she's messing up my street cred.
What happened?
Well, she said that I was based in Baltimore and I'm based in Vegas.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I thought you were based in Baltimore too.
No, wow.
You've been telling everybody you're based in Baltimore.
Why you telling people stuff? Why you spreading rumors? I'm based in Las Vegas. You're messing with my street cred. You know what I'm saying?
Did you know that? That he was based in Vegas?
I did know that.
Oh, you did know that. Oh, you did.
If you want to be Vegas-based, fly out of Vegas.
Oh, if I want to be Vegas-based, fly to Vegas, yeah?
Fly out of Vegas. If you want to be Vegas-based.
Okay, all right, yep,
Sorry, boo.
Yep,
You're a Baltimore person today.
yep.
4 times 12:15.
Nah, not in Vegas, not in Vegas time.
Oh, shut up.
We got robots out here. I'm just trying to find my room.
You have to
We got some iRobot
No,
stuff
it's San
happening out
Jose.
here.
It brings you your room service.
That one does too.
Oh,
Well,
does
not room service, but like if you need.
Oh, that's good. So you don't have to tip it.
No, you can tip the robot.
Why would you
No,
tip
I
the
don't tip the
robot?
Well, because they put it already in there.
What are you talking
You
about?
take your gratuity out for
They're
the
tipping the
this one
robot.
doesn't
Is the
bring
robot
food.
gonna go to Robot Mall and buy some robot shoes or
Call
something?
that. I did a video with the robot.
Call
You should-
robot.
Yeah, call it.
Are we all on 11? That's
Call.
No, oh, you definitely just put your room
I'm
number
12.
in. I'm 8.
I had 11.
12.
All right, ladies. All right, peace out, ladies. I will see you later. I gotta show the vlog, bro. Look at Lex's hair. What is this, bro? Bro, you have officially snapped. You could just be a nice guy.
Since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say we changed and look, we made it. Yeah, we made it.
Hey.
Oh, watch out now.
Let's go. What's up, baby? What's good, bro?
How you doing?
Chilling. Danny, did you have a good time last night, bro?
Yes, indeed.
Hey, you want to introduce yourself to 25 million people right here, guy?
Sure. I'm
This is profile time.
clever and quirky intellectual who,
Doesn't have a name.
right.
Guys, this is Dan Antone. He lives in San Antone, so his name's Dan Antone. You guys already know Davey P.
We out here.
Yep. You want to be a little soliloquy? You usually have something to say.
I always have something to say, man. We had a great night last night. We went out to Perch, downtown LA. Beautiful view. We were vibing out. It was a quiet night there, it seemed.
I'm not gonna lie, guys. I really wanted you guys to come, but you know, it just wasn't in the cards. You know, we're moving fast out here in LA.
There was
And,
already a lot of cameras there anyway.
There was a lot of paparazzi there. You know, TMZ was there. You know, I was hanging out with LeBron and you know, my girl Kendall Jenner, and it was too much. I didn't want to bring one more vlog camera into it, but just know that all that happened. And Davey's staying one more day. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you. You can't get a flight back.
Alright, I guess I'm staying more than one.
Yeah. Nah, I got you, dog. I got you.
Alright, good luck.
Alright. It's Suave's birthday. You guys don't have the pleasure of meeting him right now, but we'll just leave him in the mystery that he is. I gotta go. I gotta pass out pretzels. I'm going to Rhodey, and I'm working on something in Rhodey for a couple more days. Can't tell you guys what it is yet. He's back. Hi.
She's back. Did they call why you don't wake you up?
New shades, who this? What, you got like 7 pairs of shades? What are you doing, girl?
1,000 pairs of shades.
Yeah, scheduling called me last night.
What?
They called me twice. They called me at 2 a.m. and then they called me at like, they like left a message because obviously,
They
you know,
leave me a message.
I ain't answering. They're like, oh yeah, someone called out or something. We want to see if you were down to like switch your flight today to work a few more flights. And I'm like,
A few more.
I'm like,
I got one.
yeah.
A few more meaning 6.
Yeah.
All right.
She mentioned that I would have gotten into Baltimore earlier, but I
Early.
was like,
Yeah, but
nah.
what does it cost?
Like 2:30 in the morning, I'm like, now is not the time to be calling me.
Yeah.
Nee, what's good, girl? What's up?
How was the night? How did it go?
Oh, night was good. Night was good. I unfortunately was not able to bring them with me. Yeah, guys, sorry about. I wanted to take you guys out with us last night, but it wasn't in the cards. I can't. Well, logistically, I cannot bring this massive camera into a bar. I'm trying to vlog here. But yeah, I was able to snap this little picture with the boys, you know, for Chris's birthday. So that's what we looked like, you know. 4 hours, 15 minutes to Baltimore, and then I'm catching a commuting flight to Providence. And Babs and Frank aren't even in Rhodey, so I gotta catch an Uber down to the Narragansett Lodge, and I will set up shop there for 2 nights. And also, it's my boy David. You guys remember my boy David G? David, how's your night last night, buddy?
I had a rough night, guys.
Yeah?
I had a rough
Did
night.
you meet any
It was-
girls?
No, well, maybe.
It's his birthday. I don't know. It's like next week, and then it's Lex's birthday tomorrow. But we're actually all going to Montreal on the 12th and the 13th. So if you guys are in Montreal, hit a brother up. Send me a message. Send me cool stuff to do because I mean I don't really know if those guys are gonna show me a good time. I went to Montreal one time with Kaz, and it's just like it wasn't fun. But it's with David G. So like, shout out to my boy David G. David, I know you're watching this, bro. We gonna have a good time. We gotta go to Baltimore and teleport in 3, 2, 1. What are you doing in my house? I reserved 2 nights at the Narragansett Lodge. Oh, look who we got here. What's Gucci Cora making another Molives TV debut. You guys created a human breathing eyes. She's got a nose. How you doing? Say what up to 10 million people.
Say baloney.
That's Babs's baby voice that we've been graced with for days now, and it's amazing. We
That
love
was
it.
my baby. You were my baby before she was my baby. So
Yep.
I used to talk to you like this.
Uh-huh.
And I never bought you pretty dresses.
Right. Thank you for that. Appreciate it. Anyways, and as you guys know, we still got the giveaways going on, you know what I'm saying? We got the 40,000 subscriber giveaway on YouTube. Guys, drop a comment down right now into the comment section because the first 100 comments get entered into the giveaway. And you guys know we keep it real. Cora knows we keep it real. Okay. And we got the 10K giveaway going on IG. I'll probably hit that in 2027. So, you know, still first 50 comments get entered into that. These are some of the people that have been doing it. Yep. Might be one of you guys. We shall see. But that is it for today. Actually, we might be doing a mystery flight next month. I don't know.
I'm up.
Huh?
I'm up for it.
What do you mean you're... I'm sorry?
I would like to go.
I didn't invite or ask anybody. Cora, is that you? Cora is coming with me.
Oh, and then she needs her nanny.
No, she doesn't need a nanny. No, she doesn't. Or the voice. No, the voice can stay here. If you guys aren't part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Smash a like on this video, and you guys know what to do. This is Molives TV. Smash that like button, and let's fly, baby. Cora! No, I understand you're 4 months old, but that does not exclude you from the Molives outro. So I'm going to try this one more time. Here we go. You guys know what to do. This is Molives TV. Smash that like button, and let's fly, baby. Go.